So the actual, and I copied this command line, these four corridors. So from here I can copy the stuff. So you can specify the Python location, but it's not necessary because we already, Python R already have it. So the first two lines here are Python location and the script. Those are Python, those are this argument and PyScript. Those are not necessary because we know where they are. Unless you're an advanced user that you have a specific code environment for that, that would be fine. But at this point, just ignore those arguments because R deals with that already. So the in shape is going to be this file here. So I'm building the command line that allows to run what we just did in the front end and what we just did in the back end. So now we're going to use the R interface, actually the wrapper for the Python functions. So the initial diff, the input diff, is going to be this one. The out diff will be the same, but I will change the name slightly. From R. The maximum distance I will keep million. The smooth I will make like a different value, maybe 20. Tolerance be 100. Number of cores I will choose maybe 4 cores. CRS stands for Coordinate Reference System. When we don't have a associated reference for our raster, maybe in ASCII or similar formats, we should provide here the code, as you will see in the user manual. Here is the projection string. It's not our case, but we can use that parameter, so we're going to leave it empty. And there's two additional parameters. The first one is if we want to print the command line, we're going to say true. And show results is to see what the script shows. In this case will be a message like this one. And if you want to put that and print that in R, I'm going to also say true. So right now we are reproducing the same corridors that we create in the front end with the clicks, and the same corridors that we produce with the command line here in backend in Python, but we're going to script that inside R. So as you can see here, we are printing the command line that we are using in the backend. And we also printing the results. The output is what we get as show result true. So we can go to the that folder, CoLa MVX, that's again, and we may see our output from R. At this point, there was a little quick example how to run all the functionalities using the DSS, the clicks, how to run that from the command line, and how to run that scripting from R. Let us know if you have any sort of question or a problem at this point. We are happy to assist you with any kind of solutions. Hopefully this will work the same for Windows, for Mac, or for Linux. And we are looking forward for a new version, new improvements of the software. Again, refer to our software using this reference. At the moment, probably we're going to publish another R note for this soon. And that's it. Hope to see you in a future video in the tutorial how to use and how to interpret the results. Bye bye.